Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a flashlight that can go the distance and then some, meet the Fenix TK30R, the flashlight that took long-throw performance to a whole new level. It's designed for a serious adventure. The Fenix TK30R is a long-range LEP flashlight with an insane beam distance up to 1,640 yards. That's almost a mile away. And even on its lower output level, it can produce more throw than most flashlights, up to 656 yards. Now that's quite impressive. Whether you're out on a search and rescue missions, signal from far distance, hunting in the wild, or just patrolling your area, this flashlight can throw a solid beam that can cut through the darkness. And before we start, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell. This way you get our videos as soon as we upload them. The Fenix TK30R take illumination to the next level with its advanced LEP lighting technology. This laser-driven system generates a beam that's incredibly focused and sharp, minimize light scatter, and deliver a powerful, concentrated light beam, compared with the standard LED flashlight that tend to disperse light over a wide area. Because of that, the max 500 lumen may not sound impressive on paper, but with the high candela output, it's a solid stream of light that can let you see clearly from nearly a mile away, even in total darkness. So let's go and take a look at TK30R impressive beams. The high mode is 500 lumen and it produces an impressive 1,640 yards throw with an intensity of 600,000 candela. Yes, you heard me right, 600,000 candela, and it can run for 3.5 hours. The low mode is 100 lumens and produce 656 yard throw and 100,000 candela. A quick press and hold on the tail switch and you'll be in strobe mode. And now let's take a look what comes in the box. The TK30R is a powerful flashlight with an interesting tail switch design. It combines the use of both the standard button tail switch with a rotating switch to quickly switch between the high or low mode. With a powerful beam, safety of the flashlight and yourself is very important. On the same rotating dial that operates the flashlight is the lockout mode, keeping it safe while not in use. It's powered by a hefty 6,000 mAh battery. The TK30R can run for up to 3.5 hours on the highest settings. That's a ton of time to light up the night. And on the lowest settings, it can get up to 9 hours of runtime. When it's time to charge, no problem. Just twist the top of the grip to access the built-in USB Type-C charge port. Plus the handy power indicator, you always know how much juice you have left. Built to last, the TK30R is IP68, meaning it can handle a heavy rain or even being submerged. And with 1 meter impact resisting, this flashlight is tough enough to handle anything your adventure throws at it. And it's easy to carry with the included holster. The TK30R is an impressive powerhouse, but it's simple to use with just 2 brightness levels. You can toggle through them quickly with its intuitive side switch. Right off the bat, the TK30 is in lockout mode. To unlock it and select the brightness level, rotate the side switch to the right. The first brightness level is low. You can just turn the light on and off by pressing the tail switch, full press to turn it off. Turn it back on, full press again. And rotate the switch one more time to get to the high mode. Rotate it all the way back to the left to turn it off and reach the lockout mode. When the light is off and the brightness level is selected, you can half press for momentary on. Once you release it, it turns off. If you need to activate strobe mode, the flashlights need to be unlocked. Just press and hold the tail switch for about 1 second. And to turn it off, you can press the tail switch or just lock it. Here's my take on the Fenix TK30R. To really demonstrate what an LEP flashlight excels at. While it's only 500 lumen max, its highly concentrated beam allows it to reach almost a mile. That's more than 16 football field long. No LED flashlight can achieve that, even the 20,000 lumens ones. So if you're looking for a long throw flashlight, this is it. Another thing I really like about the TK30R is that it shows the best of Fenix product design. It has everything that you need, but nothing extra to complicate the usage. It's rechargeable, durable, waterproof, and the rotating dial to control the power output and to lock it. It's very helpful, and comes with a holster to carry it around. Thank you guys for watching. If you use the Fenix TK30R or are planning on getting one in the future, let us know in the comments. Till next time, keep exploring and stay lit.